Uh. Yeah.
The world was in a state of turmoil, plagued by ominous signs that originated from the gateways situated at the planet's poles. These gateways served as portals to alternate dimensions from which emerged malevolent forces. Stirred within the chaotic realms, these nascent entities harbored deep resentments towards the Old Ones for trespassing into their domain. Catastrophe struck without warning. Whether it was due to an enemy attack or a structural collapse, the colossal polar gates which the Old Ones used to traverse the stars crumbled inwards. The eldritch machinery of the gates crashed down upon the world, raining hail of burning star metal. Simultaneously, the poles of the planet collapsed, tearing open a rift into the unknown. Across the globe, the seas churned and the forests convulsed with grotesque growths. In the place where the northern gates once stood, a second moon pulsated with emerald satellite comprised entirely of pure warpstone, known as Morsley. Many anguished cries were directed towards this sickly orb, as abnormal, distorted creatures were born into existence, their tortured screams echoing through the land. As the gateways collapsed, the Old Ones vanished, their fate uncertain. However, the disaster would have been far more catastrophic if not for the valiant effort of the Slan, the Old Ones' most formidable servants. They managed to partially seal the rupture in reality, thereby preventing complete annihilation. This monumental task exacted a heavy toll as half of the Slan perished, as their minds melted by the incongruity of chaos. Despite their sacrifice, the Slan could only diminish the rift. They were unable to fully close it, or halt the relentless surge of magical energy sweeping across the planet. With the Old Ones gone, the Lizardmen and the other emerging races found themselves abandoned in the face of a formidable and diabolical adversary. Thank you for joining me as we explored the cataclysmic events that befell the Warhammer world. From the collapse to the polar gates to the emergence of the Chaos Forces, and the creation of Morsleb, the second moon. We got a glimpse of the Slan fighting back as they tried to close the rift, but were unable to. And now, without the guidance of the Old Ones, new heroes have to emerge to help stop the forces of chaos. I hope you found this video enjoyable, delving into the fantastical tales of the Warhammer world. And don't forget to give a thumbs up, leave a comment sharing your thoughts, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you again for watching. Until next time, happy hobbying.